Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video we are going to cover comments and the most important function in Python, that is print statement. Also we will cover what is escape sequences. So let's talk about comments. So we have discussed about it earlier as well, right? So how we generally comment in Python, right? So if you recall, there is a way to add a single line comment using the hash symbol, right? So this particular symbol, when we add in front of any command, Python will ignore execution of this particular line because this is more of a comment. So there is also a way to add, like you have 200 lines, 300 lines, 400 lines, millions of codes, lines of code in your Python program. If you want to let's say add multiple lines of comments on your Python program, right? So how do you do that? So there is a way you can comment multiple lines of code is using three uh, you know uh, commas. So if you see now, let's remove this particular print statement. So now anything under this, right, this particular code, it is going to ignore, or it will not execute it because it's a multi-line code. So this is one way of adding comments in Python. There is another way. So let's come to something which is more interesting, right? Which is escape sequences. So there may be scenarios, right, where let's say you have a hello world program, right? Now you want to say, let's say I want you to print this particular program, particular line of program on two lines, right? Hello on the first line, world on the second line. So let's say you did something like this, you did a space and you said, okay, now it's going to execute. Let's try running it. So it does not, right? So you see Python has by default taken the space, right? So we don't have to do anything here. So in Python, there is one single, you know, line, one single word that will generally use. We can use this for new line. This is called an escape sequence. So this generally you will look at it as it's like two words. Generally, it's just one word, right, or a single uh, letter of command. So when we try using this particular hello world now, you will see hello is printed on the first line, world is printed on the second line. Similarly, there is backslash, there is an double quote, there is single quote you can use. There is also tab function that you can use, depending on what the requirement is, like if you want to print something, right? So based on that, you can generally use that. So let's say I'm using this, right? Okay, Python is easy. Let's see. Yeah, Python is easy, right? Now this is more about the escape sequences. So this, like, there are multiple type of sequence parameters available in Python which you can use. It all depends on what is the business case or what is the use case we are trying to develop the logic for. Based on that, you can use that particular sequences and verify what output you are getting based on what conditions, etc. Now let's talk about the important hero of this particular lesson is a print function. So print function is an inbuilt function in Python. It generally displays output to the screen, right, which we already been using. So I want to also uh, take you to something new, which is, let's say I'm taking a string here, hello, welcome to Python, right? Now I'm adding something like SEP equal to, under double colon I'm adding, let's say, comma, and I want to execute it. Before that, let me comment this. Let me clear this, right? Hello, welcome, then comma and to Python, right? So this is what I want to show you guys. So this is called separator, right? So what we are generally doing here, separator is generally called as a space. So if you see space, separator is generally space. So what we are doing right now, we are replacing space by comma here. So whatever space we have in the respective string, right, it is getting replaced by comma. So let's say if instead of that comma now I add double dot or a full stop. So if you look at it, it is bringing in those two dots. So this is again based on how you want the functionality to be that you are going to implement. Another thing is there is also called end. So if we add end, what it will do is at the end of the string double dot will be added. So let's execute and see that. So if you see here at the end of the string double dots are added, right? So this is all about the uh, print function. So we have discussed comments, single line, multi-line comments. We also discussed escape sequences, slash n, backslash, etc. We discussed about the print statement, how you can utilize that. Uh, we also discussed the separator and also the end, part of that. You can use that in the same string also. Again, depends on what logic you are building. So I hope this is clear, and I will see you in the next video. In the next video we are going to cover operators in Python. So if you have any questions, let me know. See you in the next video. Have a good day.